I'm on the top of this area, and you can see down there this is a big slopey areas everywhere. I can't skip the word sloppy because these are sloppy areas. You can see how sloppy this place is, and you can see the treetops have reached this level, and you can imagine how high this place is. Trees from bottom, and the top of those trees have reached this place. You can see so big trees, and so you can see the bottom area. I don't know whether you can see it, and this is how it looks like, this area. Come to Sri Lanka and enjoy the life here, and we warmly welcome those who come from other countries especially, and because nature is different from country to country, and so this is unique to Sri Lanka, and so if you can come and enjoy this life, I really appreciate. Thank you for watching.